it's really tasty. It's delicious. You have to try it. You have to make it. Let's make Plum's crumble cake. That's an amazing dessert that can be ready just in 10 minutes of an active preparation time. Let's start from cutting our plums into pieces. We don't have to make really small pieces, but also we don't have to make large cubes. Approximately like this.
While I'm cutting the plums into pieces, or to be more accurate, the small cubes we need for this incredible crumble pie, I'll tell you that the full recipe of this dessert you can find in the captions. I seasoned my plums with a lot of cinnamon because I'm a fan of cinnamon. If you don't like cinnamon, you can avoid using it, adding it. After this, we proceed to making crumble for the top of our dessert. For crumble, we need all the ingredients mentioned in captions. It's flour, sugar, butter, and almonds. Okay, so we start crashing all our ingredients together and mixing them until the smooth texture. It has to look like wet sand or something like this. Now I will show you the final consistency. If it doesn't look like this, continue mixing it until the consistency we need. Now we start applying it on our future pie, and by this time I've already started heating the oven until 180 degrees. Okay, I put all the crumble on top of my pie and put it into the oven for approximately half an hour. So it's from 30 minutes to 40 minutes. It really depends by the size of a pie you're going to make. My pie was at the oven for 35 minutes. So now we put our pie at the middle level in our oven and start baking it. Here I've tried to film a video of the process.
It's time to take our incredibly amazing pie, which we made really fast, out of the oven. Let's take a look what we got here as a result. Look at this. I think that this is gorgeous, and I'm pretty adamant that this is going to taste also amazing. Just take a look at this incredible pie that we've just made. The pie is ready, and now we are going to try it. It smells incredibly, and I'm pretty adamant that it also going to taste gorgeous. So let's give it a try. For such a delicious crumble pie, we need a really big spoon. Let's start trying it. Look at this texture. It looks gorgeous. It really... Oh, this smell is dream smell. It's hot, but it's really tasty. It's delicious. You have to try it. You have to make it. I highly recommend you to prepare this pie, crumble pie, and to try how summer actually tastes. I highly recommend you to prepare this crumble pie, and also don't forget to subscribe to this channel and to hit the like button, and also send me a photo of result that is going to be made by this recipe.